Anxiety. What is anxiety? Anxiety is not just one disorder. There are multiple different types of disorders with some similar characteristics and symptoms. Anxiety is when individuals have severe reactions or impairments socially or interpersonally. In this presentation, we will be exploring different types of anxiety and the symptoms associated with anxiety. Separation anxiety. Separation anxiety is when you feel nervous or scared without a particular person around you, or you have an attachment to them. Most of these cases are found in children below age 5 to a parent. This is normal, but if it escalates into behaviors that are not normal or out of their age group, it can be a problem. Separation anxiety can also be commonly found in women who have just given birth. This is common for mothers who do not want to leave at first, but if it progresses past 2 to 3 years old, this can badly affect the child and the mother's mental health and social skills. Social anxiety disorder. Social anxiety is the fear of social settings due to the fear of being judged or scrutinized. This anxiety disorder is one of the most common disorders with anxiety and has become more common in recent years. Social anxiety can affect interpersonal relationship as well and result in loneliness and isolation. Generalized anxiety disorder, GAD. Generalized anxiety disorder is the feeling of excessive worry about events or activities. People with generalized anxiety disorder worry about minimal things or events more than a normal person would, or have a fear of things going wrong constantly. People with GAD are also more susceptible to developing other anxiety disorders, mental health issues, substance use disorders, and depressive disorders. Other conditions with similar symptoms. Anxiety has several different symptoms, and some of these may be similar to physical conditions and can be confused. Some examples are having a heart condition or asthma. Anxiety can raise your heart rate, and some people get confused on what is actually wrong. The difference is if it is anxiety, you would only have the issue when you are anxious. If it is a heart issue or asthma, it will be persistent without provocation. Anxiety prevalence. Generalized anxiety disorder is known to be more common in women due to the urge to please others and to be a perfectionist in most women. Anxiety is also the most common mental illness diagnosed to children. Children have common anxiety about experiences and fears, but this is normal. Many diagnosed escalate those normal anxiety feelings. Effects of anxiety. Each anxiety disorder has some different characteristics, but the most common are nervousness, nausea, increased heart rate, and trouble breathing. All of these symptoms go along with other things, so it is important to try to cope or find ways to de-stress. Treatment. There are both natural and medical treatment options when dealing with anxiety. Therapy, medicine, coping skills, and self-reflection are a few examples of what it would be. Conclusion. Anxiety has several different types and is determined to be the most common of the mental disorders. Many people develop anxiety at a young age, and it progresses or dies down later on in life. Treatment is available and used daily. References.